Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to control LG Smart TV with our remote control. Now pay attention, you can use one app on your mobile. Example, I have this app, can you see that? LG Remote, touch here, and then I can use my remote control or open apps or browser settings. Now, can you see it? This is volume. Now, let me show you how. Do you see that? Do you see that? Volume, more volume. It's so perfect. Or I can open another app. Okay, here example, like Netflix. Do you see that? It's so perfect. Okay, you need to find that app on your mobile. Okay, and if you have example another TV like Samsung or Hisense or TCL, I don't know, more marks, MERS. Okay, now you just need put in your search bar in your app store here, in your app store or your Play Store, put Samsung remote control or LG remote control or Hyundai remote control. It's so easy and really fast. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.